To install the module, go to the Modules section. Click the Upload a Module button and search for your zip file of the module. Once installed, click Proceed with the configuration. The module comes integrated to give the merchant statistics about their pop-ups. They are activated and managed in this section as well as the creation of pop-ups. We will activate the pop-up statistics and view the information collected at the end. Here is the section where you will be able to create and manage your pop-ups created. In case of having multi-store, you can also create pop-ups specific to one shop just by switching to it. Let's create a pop-up for Shop 1. The creation of a pop-up is divided into 3 highly configurable sections. The module comes pre-configured with 4 base themes which save a lot of configuration time. For this example we will use the theme Basic Banner. As you can see, much of the content is already filled out. This could be changed if so needed. In order for the module to be configurable, the use of tags is implemented. All you have to do is copy and paste the tag that you want and the module does the rest. In case of multi-language, simply add your content there too. You can read the description of each tag and what it does or read the documentation. Below the tags you will find more configurable fields that are related to the position, size, location, and visual aspects of the pop-up. Having selected one of the base themes, this is already filled and is proven to work in both desktop and mobile devices. The module comes with a large array of intro effects for the pop-up. In fields in which colors are involved, the module allows you to choose from a palette or simply type the hexadecimal. The CSS section is where most of the visual content is managed. To edit this section you must have high understanding of CSS. There is also a JavaScript section. This too should only be edited by someone with programming knowledge. The Newsletter tab will allow you to link your Accept Terms and Conditions checkbox to your actual Terms and Conditions CMS. Also, and for advanced users, you are able to indicate which email domains you will allow to subscribe. For more information, please read the documentation. You can also send a verification, confirmation email, and generate or create a voucher, depending on your needs. The behavior section allows you to manually exclude IP addresses, known user agent bots or scrollers, as well as many more pop-up settings. You are able to select in seconds a delay time for the pop-up. In advanced cases, the user can select a pattern in which the pop-up will be executed. You can configure how the user can close your pop-up, auto-close it, or even to limit the devices that view the pop-up. You can make the pop-up only appear in a selected product, category, currency, language, and more. Read each field carefully and the documentations, as this section will determine how, when, and under what settings will the pop-up be displayed. The cookie lifetime must be filled in seconds. For this example we will leave it in 0, as this will display the pop-up always after refreshing the page. Select the customer groups, and in case of a multi-store, which stores will this pop-up be displayed for. Enable the pop-up and click the Save button. Let's go to Shop 1 and view the pop-up. As you can see, the pop-up is shown correctly. Let's only show it in the currency euro and save it again. We are in Shop 1 and the currency is Mexican peso. The pop-up should not be displayed. If we switch to euro and refresh the page, the pop-up should be displayed. As you can see, it was displayed correctly. Let's configure to show the pop-up only after we start scrolling down the page. Simply change it here and click the Save button. If we refresh the page and not scroll down, the pop-up will not be displayed. Only after we scroll down it's shown. Let's create a new pop-up with a different base theme. Click the plus button to create a new one. For this example, we will use the base theme Full Newsletter. This pop-up has a newsletter registration form for users to sign up to your newsletter. As before, content and some fields were pre-filled based on this pop-up. Since this theme has a form, the use of tags is used extensively for this. Notice how fields that you want required are marked as true. Since this is a form and the checkbox for agreeing to the terms and conditions is added, the newsletter tab is where you link the CMS to the checkbox. All these options are available. For this example, we will create a new coupon for signing up. Select the parameters that will be applied to this new coupon. For this pop-up, only a delay of 3 seconds after loading the page will be configured. You are able to exclude the users who are already signed up. Please read the documentation for further details. Add the range of dates your pop-up will be displayed. Add your customer groups and shops where this pop-up will be displayed and click Save. Let's go to the front office and view the results. Keep in mind that we excluded users who were signed up already. John Doe is already signed up for newsletters. Let's disable the toggle for excluding subscribed customers. Let's refresh in the front office our page. As you can see, the pop-up took the correct amount of seconds to be displayed. Now we will fill out the form with a different email. If the user tries to submit without filling out everything, alerts will be displayed to fill out all the required fields. The user must fill out correctly all the formats or else they will not be able to subscribe. In this case, the date format was not correct. We set the date of birth with the correct date format and subscribe. We have subscribed correctly to the newsletter and the window will close automatically after the set seconds. Let's disable this pop-up and create our third example. We will use the limited time offer based theme. This theme is designed to choose a product to be displayed with a countdown timer. Same as any other pop-up, you can customize it with the available tags. For example purposes, this pop-up will not have any restrictions in the newsletter tab. Simply go to the Behavior tab to configure pop-up display settings. This option is fired when the user tries to leave the site by hovering over the address bar. We will add a delay page of 1, meaning that the user must visit at least one page before trying to leave by hovering over the search bar. Add the customer groups, shops. This pop-up will be displayed. Activate the pop-up and save it. Let's complete the scenario in order for the pop-up to be displayed. I entered inside one product, but I have not yet hovered over the address bar. As you can see, the pop-up was displayed right after hovering the address bar correctly. After doing 3 examples, we have enough data to view the statistics. Here you will see more information about which currency, language, device, and even client names who viewed your pop-ups. Remember, a coupon was created for signing up to the newsletter. The module also adds a graph to the dashboard which has information about your pop-ups as well.